Hi, I'm Shelley Fishel from Tomorrow's VA.
In this tip, we're going to learn how to duplicate shapes. First of all, I'm going to insert one, and I'm going to use the Shapes button. This time I'm going to choose a circle. I don't know if you knew, but when you hold down the Shift key and you drag, it will create a perfect circle. If you don't hold down the Shift key, it just creates an oval or an ellipse. So now I'd like to have several circles the same. Now most people know that you can select the shape, right click and copy, and then right click and paste, and that will create an absolute duplicate. But I'm going to show you a quick keyboard shortcut. So I've selected the shape and I'm going to press Command and D, and I'll do that again, Command and D, and that creates duplicate shapes. So I can now line them up however I want, and if I want to select all of those and press Command and D again, it duplicates exactly all three. So there we have the quickest way to duplicate shapes in PowerPoint 2016 for Mac.
To find out more about using Microsoft Office in your VA business, head over to www.tomorrowsva.com, where you'll find a wealth of extra information. We have a very active blog, and you'll also get access to our brilliant online training.